Hi there, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a luxurious sedan that defines comfort and sophistication, the most comfortable car you need to know about. This elegant sedan has a rich history, rooted in decades of engineering excellence. Known for its refined ride and exceptional build quality, it's been a top choice for those who seek comfort without compromise. The sedan offers a seamless blend of luxury and performance. With advanced suspension systems, it glides over roads, offering an unparalleled smooth driving experience. The quiet cabin ensures you're isolated from road noise, making every journey peaceful. Under the hood, this sedan boasts a powerful engine that delivers robust performance with impressive fuel efficiency. Whether cruising on highways or navigating city streets, the responsive engine ensures a smooth and powerful drive. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that exudes luxury. Plush leather seats with heating and cooling functions, ambient lighting, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system provide a first-class experience. The exterior design is a masterpiece of modern engineering. Sleek lines, a bold front grille, and LED headlights give it a commanding presence on the road. The aerodynamic shape not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also improves fuel efficiency. Right now, you can get exclusive deals on this luxurious sedan. Enjoy big savings and unbeatable prices during our limited time sale. Don't miss out on the best price for the most comfortable ride of your life. If you're looking for a blend of luxury, performance, and unmatched comfort, this sedan is your go-to choice. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video for more exciting car reviews and tips. And remember, be a smart buyer. Choose comfort, choose quality.